Hey guys, so I'm gonna do this real quick overview of the game HQ, how to make money, and I'm just gonna quickly go over a couple other things. Very simple, straightforward game for Apple products. So one of the things I'm gonna go over is the how to play portion. Obviously, if you have the game or if you download the game, you can go over more in depth, frequently answered questions or anything else, but how to play. So first of all, you have to download and make an account to join the games when they come on. Depending on what time zone you're in, they'll come on different times. You have to answer all the questions, 12 questions correctly. You have under 10 seconds per question. If you get one question wrong, you're out. The only way you can stay in is if you get friends to sign up under your name and you get basically like a lifeline. If you get all of them right, you get a portion of whatever the jackpot is. So if 100 people win, you split the jackpot among 100 people. If there's no winners, whatever the jackpot is for that game, they'll roll it over into the next game. And if you have a certain amount, obviously like it says on here, $20, you can cash out using PayPal. So that's a real quick rundown of the game, and then I'm gonna go over the leaderboard in a second. So I'm just showing this, that way whoever sees this quick overview can see that there's real money being made for this week and all time. The questions are somewhat hard. You have to have a pretty broad range of knowledge to get all 12 questions correctly. And then, like it says, add referral. If you add the referral, you're giving somebody a lifeline, basically. And you can yourself give others your information, so that way you get a lifeline if they sign up. But again, that's just a quick overview. Can actually make money off of this, and you can see the jackpot for the next game. So hopefully this helps. Come back for more videos. Thanks for watching.